Up to 75% of shoppers leave a website when they don't find what they are looking for within 15 seconds. Looking at this, you recognize that speeding up product discovery is important. Our SoBooster Search and Filter app provides dynamic product filtering for the collections and search result pages, which helps customers go through thousands of products and match their needs and the most relevant ones. It easily sets up different filter groups and offers the right options for various collections. When users interact with search results, available filters dynamically update to reflect the attributes of the remaining results. It allows you to narrow down the list through multiple criteria to get the desired results. The sellers can customize filter options, filter products by collections, vendor, product type, product variants, tag, rating, price, availability, and metafield. Values merging, group similar instances under the principal value. You can combine electric blue, dark blue, light blue, navy into blue. So, it's best way for increasing customer retention rate and boosting conversion rate. In case you need further support or additional information, please send a request to our support team. We are always eager to solve any issues and find an optimist solution for you.